Another day, another story. The division of Korea into North and South, in the aftermath of World War II, stands as a stark reminder of the geopolitical forces that shaped the Korean peninsula. It is a complex and multifaceted issue that continues to influence the political, economic, and social landscapes of both North Korea and South Korea. This article delves into the historical events and factors that led to the separation, explores the contrasting paths taken by the two nations, and examines the ongoing efforts for reunification that have persisted for decades. South Korea, officially the Republic of Korea, and North Korea, officially the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, were divided in the aftermath of World War II. The division took place on August 15, 1945, following Japan's surrender, which effectively ended its colonial rule over Korea. At the end of World War II, the Korean peninsula, which had been under Japanese occupation since 1910, was liberated. The United States, and the Soviet Union, who were the primary Allied powers, agreed to divide Korea temporarily along the 38th parallel. The 38th parallel is a line of latitude that roughly divides the Korean peninsula into two halves. The United States occupied the southern part of the peninsula, while the Soviet Union occupied the northern part. This division was intended to be temporary, with the aim of facilitating a unified and independent Korea in the future. However, due to increasing tensions between the two occupying powers, and their conflicting ideologies, capitalism in the south and communism in the north, attempts at reunification were unsuccessful. In 1948, two separate governments were established in the divided Korea. The Republic of Korea was established in the southern part, with its capital in Seoul, under the influence of the United States. On the other hand, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea was established in the northern part, with its capital in Pyongyang, under the influence of the Soviet Union. The division of Korea became more permanent as time went on, and the two separate governments developed distinct political, economic, and social systems. In 1950, tensions escalated into the Korean War, when North Korea invaded the South, triggering a conflict that lasted until 1953. The war ended in an armistice agreement, not a peace treaty, leaving the two countries technically still at war. Since then, South Korea and North Korea have remained separate entities with no formal reunification. The Korean Demilitarized Zone, DMZ, established in 1953, acts as a heavily fortified border between the two countries. Relations between the two Koreas have varied over the years, with periods of tension and limited cooperation. However, amidst the differences, there have been intermittent attempts at reconciliation and reunification. Diplomatic efforts, inter-Korean summits, and cultural exchanges have sought to bridge the gap and foster cooperation. The desire for reunification remains strong among many Koreans, driven by shared history, language, and cultural heritage. The aspiration for a unified Korea endures, fueled by the yearning for family reunions, cultural reintegration, and a shared vision of a peaceful and prosperous Korean peninsula. It is this unwavering hope, fueled by the aspirations of the people, that keeps the flame of reunification burning, reminding us that no division is permanent, and that a united Korea remains a possibility on the horizon. I hope this video is informative. Like and subscribe to see more interesting content. Thanks for watching.